There is a sad reality that every fan of romance anime eventually learns that it is damn near impossible to get good recommendations. Hello everyone and welcome back to Anime Chaos. So today we will be counting down our top picks for top 10 romance anime you have probably never seen. Hope you enjoy the video. If you do then give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and enable the notification that you get notified about our latest updates. So without further ado, let's start the list. Masamune-kun's Revenge. When Masamune Makabe was a child, he was rejected by a rich, beautiful girl named Aki Adagaki, who gave him the nickname Piggy for being overweight. Devastated, Masamune put great effort into working out to improve his appearance. Now a handsome yet self-obsessed high school student, Masamune is determined to exact his revenge. He will have Aki falling madly in love with him and ultimately reject her the next time they meet.
I won't ever fall for someone like you.
To his surprise, Masamune discovers he has transferred into Aki's school. Setting his plan into motion, Masamune first begins to form a relationship with the brutal princess, but despite his efforts, fails miserably at his initial attempts. Shockingly, when Masamune finally progresses towards his vengeance, he receives a mysterious letter addressing him by his old nickname. Unless Masamune discovers the sender's identity, his plan is doomed before it even starts. Archenemy and Hero. The story is set in a world embroiled by war between humans and demons. The humans' greatest warrior, the hero, invades the castle of the Demon King, intent on vanquishing the leader of the demons. Inside, the hero discovers that the Demon King is in fact a Demon Queen. And instead of battling him, the Demon Queen proposes an alliance with the hero.
やめよう。私は君が好きだ。
She explains how a sudden end to the war can bring further chaos to the world as the humans, once united to stand against their common enemies, would eventually begin to fight among themselves, with similar issues already occurring in the demon realm. Convinced by her words, the hero joins forces with the queen, and together they execute a plan to bring prosperity and lasting peace to both humans and demons alike. Cat Planet Cuties. Kyo Kakasu is a kind-hearted yet sophisticated guy who is living a dull and boring life on Okinawa. One day, after attending a funeral for the death of one of his ancestors, he is introduced to a girl with cat ears named Eris. Next morning, he finds her sleeping next to him half naked. She explains to him that she is an alien and that she has come to Earth to learn more about its inhabitants.
You're that girl.
Oh no, did you enter your cranial mass? Just hold on.
But unbeknownst to them, fanatical alien worshippers and mysterious organizations are in hot pursuit for Eris. To make matters worse, Kyo's friends turn out to be a part of those organizations. Now it is up to Kyo to protect Eris from these shady organizations. But does he have the bravery and skills to do that?
You gotta notice, hey, I'm falling in love. You're feeling something, hey, you cannot control. Just in time you came, and you changed all my perspective. Just in time you came, and I lucky. Feel so lucky, feel so 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 lucky. You gotta notice, hey, I'm falling in love. You're feeling something, yeah. You cannot control. Just in time you came and you changed all my perspective. Just in time you came and I love it, I love it. It's so great to have you in my life. Make me feel so lucky, feel so lucky, yeah. It's so great to have you in my life. Make me feel so lucky, feel so lucky, yeah. Feel so lucky, yeah. Feel so.
If her flag breaks, Sauta Hatate, a new transfer student to the Atakaya school, has the ability to see the futures of those around him in the form of flags. He is able to affect those flags based on his interactions with the person in question.
友情フラグか。どちら様で？
He ends up living in a small dome with many beautiful girls. When he finds a flag of death on himself, Sota learns that in order to be able to change his fate, he has to find and bring together 4 people: a princess knight, a magician, a cleric, and a shinobi.
You gotta notice, hey, I'm falling in love. You're feeling something, yeah. You cannot control. Just in time you came and you changed all my perspective. Just in time you came and I love it, I love it. It's so great to have you in my life. Make me feel so lucky, feel so lucky.
The color of love is when boys suddenly get into places where they have never been allowed before. Some girls tend to get upset. So when the decision is made to merge the LA to Hime Girls Private Academy and the co-educational Kaga Midai Private Academy, everyone wants to take extra care in avoiding troubles while bringing the 2 privates together. Therefore, rather than just bringing the Kaga Midai boys into the Yuhime Girls School, all at once a plan is put together in which a group of test males will be inserted into the girls' private academy first.
俺はいいよ。でも、咲くのはやっぱりその服似合うよね。お、
Thus, poor young Shingo finds himself being thrown as a sacrificial lamb to the loneliness of Yohime, who aren't exactly waiting for him with open arms. Will Shingo manage to survive the estrogen-soaked depth pit that is Yohime? Can the girl learn to be more respectful to the boys? And just how long until something involving panties will cause emotions to flare, sparks to fly, and the battle of the sexes to explode? Homes of Kyoto. There is an antique shop in Kyoto's Teramachi Sanjo shopping district. High school girl Mashira Aoi unexpectedly runs into Yagashira Kiyotaka, the son of the shop's owner, and ends up working part-time at the shop. Kiyotaka is called the homes at the Teramachi Sanjo, and he and Aoi solve odd cases brought to them by various clients.
いいんですよ。さらに短板と呼ばれている緑の発色が鮮やかなんですが、これは随分と黒ずんでいます。